Hello, some people. Nice to see you stop by again. In this released video, let's solve this addition problem. 28 plus 36. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 8 plus 6 equals 14. In the number 14, there are 4 ones, right? 4 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 2 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 2 equals 3. We need to add 3 more, which gives us 6, right? 6 in the tens place. So 28 plus 36 equals 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love.